The data given to us is we have gas which is 190 knots, we have altitude 9000 feet, and we have ISA temperature, ISA minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. If you have gas, if you have altitude, and if you have outside air temperature, what can we find out?
TAS.
TAS. But here, what is the problem now? We don't have outside air temperature. Do we have outside air temperature?
No.
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 What is given here? A temperature ISA minus 10 degrees Celsius is your ISA deviation, right? Okay. So first, let's find out what is the ISA temperature at 9000 feet. So ISA temperature at 9000 feet is 15 minus 2 by 1000 into altitude. At what altitude we are going to find? 9000 feet. So 15 minus 2 by 1000 into 9000. 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. That is 15 to minus 18. Therefore, minus 3 degrees Celsius is your ISA temperature. Agree?
Yes.
Yes. All of you got this?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now we know outside air temperature is equal to ISA plus ISA deviation.
Yep.
Therefore, outside air temperature is equal to OAT. What is ISA temperature? Minus 3 degrees. And what is ISA deviation? Minus 10 degrees as per the book. As per the question, minus 10. Therefore, outside air temperature is equal to how much? Minus 13 degrees Celsius. All of you got this? Till here you got it? Okay. Now we have outside air temperature. We know altitude is 9000 feet. We also know gas is 190 knots. Can we find out the task?
Yeah.
What else is given? They have also given your wind direction is 320 knots and force is 350 degrees. With this, can we find out the task? Yes. How? We will use CX3. Okay, let's go to CX3. Which is the outside air temperature?
Minus 13.
Minus 13. I have entered minus 13. Gas 190 knots. Okay. Pressure altitude is
9,000.
9000 feet. How much is the task coming to? 212.68 knots. Yes or no?
Yep.
Yeah. You guys got till here?
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will go back. Okay. We will write it in our book. Task we got 212.68 knots is the task. Clear?
Yep.
Now what we'll find out? Task is there. Okay. Since what is the question asking? We have to find out what is the PET. That is point of equitime. Basically, critical point they want you to find out. So we need two things. We need to know what is ground speed out and what is ground speed home. Yes or no? Okay. So the outbound track was what? 350. So if you're going from point A to B, outbound track is 350 degrees means inbound track will be what? What will be the reciprocal of 350?
170.
170 degrees. Okay. So using CX3, we will find out ground speed out and ground speed home. Let's do it. Which function we will use now? Wind correction. Okay. TAS is already present, 212.68. Okay. First, we will find out outbound 350. Enter. How much is the wind speed?
40. 40 knots.
Yeah, wind speed is 40 knots. Wind direction is 320. We got the ground speed out 177 decimal 10. So let's write down. Now what we will find out? Ground speed home. Okay. So what I have to change? Only the course I have to change to 170. I have changed it. Dash 212 decimal 68. I have put wind direction is 40. Wind speed is 40. Wind direction is 320. Now what is the ground speed out? 246 decimal 38. Till here you guys got it?
Yes, Naren.
Yes?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what you have to find out is the critical point. Okay. Distance to critical point or point of equitime. What is the formula? dH upon O plus H. Yes?
Yep.
Let me write down on the next page. Distance to CP is equal to dH upon O plus H. How much is d? How much is the total distance? 350 miles.
Mhm.
What is the ground speed? 246 decimal 38.
38.
Ground speed out is 177 decimal 10 plus 246 decimal 38. Now solve with this. Let's see what's the answer coming to.
203.629.
Okay. Let me just solve.
Mhm.
350. 246 decimal 38. Okay. If I solve this, therefore distance to CP I'm getting 203 decimal 6249 nautical mile. Both of you got this?
Yes.
Yes, Naren.
Okay. Now distance to CP is found out. Now next what will we find out? Time to CP.
Time.
Mhm.
Yes. What is the formula for time to CP, tell me?
Distance
Distance to
over.
CP by ground out.
Distance to CP
By
upon
ground speed out.
ground speed out. Yes.
Yep.
So what is the distance to CP? 203 decimal 6294. What is the ground speed out? 177 decimal 10. Now let's solve this. That will give me 1.1497. That is
1 minute, 1 hour, 9 minutes.
1 hour and approximately 9 minutes.
9 minutes.
This is the time to CP. Okay. Now
Mhm.
we have found out this time to CP. That means from A to go to CP, you will take 1 hour and 9 minutes. Okay. So what does
Mhm.
the question say now? What time you left A? You departed A at 11:05.
Mhm.
So if you depart at 11:05, what time you will reach at CP, Yanushia?
12,
12 hours.
13. 12 hours.
12:30,
14.
12:14, no?
Yep.
Add 11:05 and 109 minutes to it. This
Oh,
becomes 14, this becomes 12. So at 12:14 you will reach. So which will be the right options given in the question?
C.
Charlie. Understood?
Yeah.
Yep.
Harsha?
Yes, Naren. Understood.
Okay. Which other questions you have, Dr.